little bit of their personalities: adventurous, creative, silly, sweet, and spunky. Would you like a pin?
Oh yeah.
Adventurous. Eddie. Here you go. What would you like?
Sweet.
Sweet. I should have known. Like Mia, sweet like Mia, and very appropriate, right?
Thank you.
So now you've got your identification with your little people, and that's because there's always a personality that someone will identify with. So this is the new lineup and the look.
They are pretty neat.
They are so cute. I think they're adorable. Of course, we've still got pets, and we've got a lot of these great places. Yes, you have to have the barn. We used to be activity barn. It's really cool. I just hyped it up. So.
Oh, I love the farm add-on there, the garden.
Yeah, with all the little cute. Yeah, there's all this. The flipping surprises. Got barbecue house, got the little people. Yeah.